But it's all good, man. Like I said, man, you're coming in really strong, man. It's all good. Like I said, man, it's good to hear you out there again, and good to work with your station, man. Yeah, what kind of radio are you talking on there, Gabriel? Go ahead. Wow, 410 on that, 30 feet off the air, man. I tell you what, man, that's like 3 times high, man, on my 3-element stereo, man. I'm just past the roof line. You'd probably see it on the YouTube. I posted up, and yeah, you can see my ladder. It's a 6-footer ladder right next to it, and yeah, once in a while, man, I had to turn the sucker because my motor, my Radio Shack crap motor, it froze up on me, so I had to go up there and turn it, man. But other than that, man, like I say, condition is still picking up, and